What's up, my fellow games? Chiquito back on your screen, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video.
She gon' let me buzz it down, buzz it down. She gon' let me buzz it down, buzz it down. Rockin' Balenci my ankles. Suggest you pull up in your raincoat, cause I got the drip, drip, drip. Chains wetting up the whip, how I feel like the Django. Snapping on the low, ay. If you gon' flick, make sure you get my good angles. My wallet full of the paint coat. That's on the diamond, it's rainbow.
What's going on, my fellow games? It's Chiquito back on your screen, and today we bring us back a brand new video. And today's video is gonna be I know I said in the last video that I wasn't gonna end the video off, but it got too long, so I had to cut it down. And this is technically part 2. Today we are going to be doing the seatbelts, like the actual seatbelts, the ones that go like right here and then on the ground, making the holes on the ground and then just putting it right here and then testing them out if they actually buckle. So yeah, my friend, and also I forgot to tell you guys, I cut my hair. Yes, I got tired of the long hair, so I cut it down, make it look nice. Also, I started school already, and another thing is that I passed my permit test, so that means that I gotta get this thing done and ready so I can go to admissions and pass, so I can get the plates and the insurance and all that things for it, so I can start driving daily to school, except for weekends, obviously, like Saturday and Sunday. But yeah, so right now we're gonna put this thing up here, and then we're gonna go get the drill from my dad and go and what you call it, and just make the holes. So yeah, let's do that. Programming, all I had to do is put right there and then put the screw in. So let me grab the screw right there, put it in there. Screwing it in. It's because it's harder because I'm only using one hand. I can fit on my lap. Probably we're there right now. Okay, so right there is all I can go by hand. And then we'll take out the tools again, and we'll screw that thing in to where it's tight. And this thing goes down here. Alrighty. I think right there's perfect. Right there. And you just grab it from here and you just buckle up. Now we go get the other one and do the same thing. And then right now we'll just get the drill out and make the hole. Alright, my friend, so we got the drill right now. Alright. Now before we drill, we gotta align this thing and then use a marker to mark where the heck we're gonna drill through, and then we move that and put it on up here, and we'll just drill. Same with that side. So let's get to doing it. So I'm probably gonna do this off camera so I have both hands on duty. So yeah. Alright guys, we'll just mark down right there and right there. And we're about to drill. And then I just did this side so I can show you guys how I'm doing it. That side I'm gonna do it off camera. So yeah, let's get to drilling. So my favorite, it's the next day after putting on the seatbelts. I did finish them, but I forgot to record because my boss called me. He said, "Hey, can you come into work today?" I'm like, "Hey, yeah, for sure." And I forgot about recording, but they're already in. Wait up. They're in, and I'm about to show you guys the results. I turned on the truck because we're about to go to school right now. And let me just show you guys so I can end off this video and upload it for you guys. Yeah, for sure. Let's get this done. See, it's not loose. Watch, let me see. See, the bolts, and then that one is on too. I just need to tighten these down because they're still loose, but I'll do that off camera. And well, you saw me put in these. So yeah, that's done. So if you guys haven't seen the last video, go check that out. And then come and watch this one after. But yeah, probably the next video, there's just like thunder and lightning over there, and it's daytime, eh? It's daytime. So lo que estaba diciendo es que se me olvidó grabar cuando terminé los cinturones, pero ya están hechos, ya los miraron. Se me olvidó porque el patrón mío me habló que si podía entrar a trabajar, le dije Simón, y ya, pues por eso se me olvidó, y ahorita se lo estoy enseñando. Ahorita voy a ir para la escuela. Comenten allá abajo si quieren que haga un video en la escuela de qué es lo que hago y cómo me la paso. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a video of me going to school. Probably the next thing would be is probably either putting on the tires or doing something else to it. I'll let you guys know. I'm not sure. My friend, I'm gonna end off this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. Turn on that bell notification button to be notified whenever I drop a brand new video. And comment down below if you guys want me to do a school vlog, technically like a vlog. And share this video with all your friends and family so they can watch this amazing vlog too. And yeah, peace, my friend. It's been real, and I'm out. Peace.